guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to the woods, and I also am taking photos of my brother, my sister-in-law, and my niece for their family photos. So we have a busy day ahead of us, but I also wanted to get some exercise, spend some time with the family up there, and I figured I'd bring you guys along on a small little vlog. Later when we get home, I have a massive pile of laundry to fold, as always. And yeah, we're gonna be making some ribs up there and just hanging out, so I figured I'd bring you guys with us. So I hope you enjoy today's video. We are all ready to go. Just gotta go around and turn off all the lights. As always make sure the air is turned up, save electricity, make sure everything's unplugged. Alright, so whenever we went up to the camp, my dad actually got a new camper. It's not new, it's used, but he's really excited about it, and it was pretty cool, so he was like, go check it out. So I figured I would give you a quick little tour of it. We really want to get a camper one day. I'd love to get like an older one like this and, you know, just kind of update it a little bit. But whenever you walk in, you have like a full-size kitchen area. There's your TV right there to the right-hand side, and then you have the kitchen on the left, which is surprisingly pretty large. I was very impressed with the size of this trailer. And then right here through this door is a storage area, which is slap full right now of all his stuff. But it could be used as a bedroom, or you can use it to pull in like dirt bikes, four-wheelers, whatever you have. So that would be perfect for us. And then on the other side, you have the bedroom, which is a queen size bed. So right through the hallway here, you have a bathroom right here to the left. And then, like I said, the queen size bed, a vanity. It's a little messy in here. He's currently moving into it, but it's pretty nice. And I thought that I would just share it with you.
Some worms. No fishing. You finding a bunch?
He wants to go swimming.
No, not me. I'm not going swimming. Hey, Mama. Hi, Mama Cow. Oh, he's scared, Mama Cow.
I know, she's taking off. Oh, he's talking to me.
Ow.
You gonna catch a really big alligator? You can't catch alligators, buddy.
Why?
Because you're not allowed. Hopefully we don't get an alligator on your bobber. You watching your bobber, baby? Good throw. You did great. It's my worst nightmare. I do a spider. He's right there in the middle of his web. Do you see him? He's a scary kind of spider. He's right here. See him, guys?
Mom, look behind you because there's mushrooms.
I'm going for a walk. Okay, come on. So we are about to head off to go for a walk. I figured I would go ahead and just start the video here because I have really been enjoying sharing this. Can you go shut off your light? Yeah. Okay. You know, my little bit of my fitness journey, I guess you could call it. I don't know what you want to call it. Trying to get healthier. But we're going to go for a walk, and then I got to get ready. I would like to do my nails today and get kind of just... Oh my gosh, stop it. You're so sweet. Okay, so we are on a walk. I have been jogging, and Caden's been riding his bike, but of course, tell me why this happens. We get halfway down where we want to go, and his chain breaks off his bike. Like, thank goodness I'm handy, and I can fix it. But it took me like a good minute because it's kind of rusted. I need to put some like WD-40 on it, but I'm happy I fixed it though. Okay, so we're back. My son's having a snack and some quiet time while I'm about to get a quick little ab workout in, an arm workout, and then I have a ton of laundry to fold. And while I fold some laundry, I wanted to have like a little chat with you guys. And just kind of share with you some exciting news that's coming up on my channel, at least that I'm excited about. It's nothing extravagant, so don't get too excited. But I just figured I would share casually.
I'm feeling way too low to start this night, but I wanna get to your bash.
It kills my arms. My arms feel like jello.
Mommy, nobody stop doing that. You have a sick of the water.
I'll have to drink all the water.
Yeah, because I have hiccups.
You have hiccups?
Yeah.
We need to need a drink.
You try to make me angry, yeah, but this time I get you mad. Oh, don't need apologies enough for this. I'm burning for you. Can't get enough of the weekend. I wanna seize the night.
Hey guys, I just sat down to fold some laundry and look at this girl. She is so stinking cute. She is passed out. Like, lip is up and all. It's so cute. Folded most of it. I just have to kind of sort through it. Sometimes when I'm sitting on the couch, I'll just fold things and stack them and not really separate them by where they need to go. And now she's dreaming. I seen her little leg kick up. She's so cute. But I wanted to tell you some video plans that I have coming soon, and I would love for you to let me know in the comments below if you are excited about this video series, because it will really help me determine on how to film these videos and how to break them up and make them informative but also entertaining. Like, I'm just so excited. So basically what I'm going to be doing is a full makeover on a bedroom that is in horrible shape. So this room basically needs a whole lot of paint, like a lot of paint. It needs new flooring, furniture. There's no furniture in there, nothing. And I kind of took on this project because it's a good empty slate, and I can show top to bottom how to do an entire complete room makeover on a budget. But I kind of want to break it up into videos and show like the demo, getting it ready, painting, the flooring, you know, and kind of break it up and kind of go more in detail. This is something that I really would love to start doing, branching out away from my house and start doing things for others. And this is a great way for me to start to see how difficult it's going to be, and if I can tackle a project like this right now with all the other things that are going on in life and having 2 young kids. I'm just excited to see how it goes. And the reason I'm starting with this room is because it's actually at the ranch house, and we're up there all the time anyway, so it's a great opportunity for me to kind of get my foot in the door with decorating a different space, not my own house, and just see how it goes. So let me know in the comments below, are you excited to see this series? I'm going to be redoing this room regardless because it needs to be done, but it'll really determine on if I go all out and like I said, the flooring and all that, and spend the money trying to do it on a budget and share it with you, or if I should just keep it simple and just do the makeover and keep it basic, because either way the room has to be redone, and I plan on doing it. But I think sharing, like I said, a full transformation would be really fun and also entertaining. It would just be something different on my channel too, because over the past like year and a half, I personally feel like it's just been the same repetitive content. As much as I love sharing what I do, don't get me wrong, I do. I love sharing my little makeovers here and there and DIYs and stuff, but this is my ultimate passion, to decorate outside of my house too, not just in here. Like, I can only do so much. I'm kind of like redecorating things obviously as years go on, your style changes anyway, so you're gonna change your home as years go on. And I've been on YouTube for 3 years. 2 years I've lived in this house almost, so obviously since the day we bought it till now, a lot has changed. Like, I have changed quite a bit, and I probably will continue to change things as I grow and change. But I just thought it would be fun to mix in a few little makeovers outside of my home as well. So let me know if you are excited about it. I would love to hear your ideas and thoughts and all of that. And I will be sharing a video talking about this specific room and show you how it looks right now and talk about my plans. I've already gotten a few items for this room, and I think it's gonna be good. I think it's gonna be a cool, fun video series. So anyway, that's what I'm gonna be working on. Also, probably in my next video, I am going to be doing a little bit of touch-ups in our kitchen. So if y'all remember, I stained the trim around the kitchen window. I don't love it. I don't love it. And I want to show you why I don't love it and show you from a different angle, because when I originally did the makeover in the kitchen, I loved it from a certain angle. Like, when you're just looking at the kitchen on the one side, it looks so cute. Like, the window looks super cozy, and it just looks like it has a ton of character. But when you walk in the front door and you look at the kitchen, the trim around the window being stained, it just throws it off. To me, it just looks odd, and I personally feel like it would look a lot better if it was brighter, maybe with a dark, like, light fixture of some sort over the window to kind of like warm the space back up. And then of course I can still keep those warm tones in the kitchen with cutting boards and, you know, decor and stuff. But I'm gonna be painting that trim work soon and getting a light fixture for above the sink. And hopefully I would like to do backsplash eventually, but I still haven't decided on a backsplash that I want. First of all, why is stuff so expensive? I don't get it. I don't get it. Everything is so pricey. Even the peel and stick tiles that I looked at that I'm interested in are like really expensive. And I'm scared to not have enough and like order it and then reorder it and it come in and be like a little off in color, because I've seen that happen before. So I don't know what to do. And I know I can do tile work because I've done tile work before. So I'm thinking about going that route and just buying the tile myself and grouting it and, you know, laying it and all that stuff. So I'm probably going to go that route. But I thought about doing the peel and stick only because I know this isn't our forever home. And let's say that the new homeowner, 2-3 years, however long we're in this house, decides that they don't like the tile that I put up. Like, it's such a hassle to take down backsplash versus if it was just peel and stick, they could change it out really easily. But then again, adding the tile would really increase the value, probably more than the peel and stick. So it's like I'm torn between the two. I don't know what to do, but we'll figure that out. I also would like to get some pendant lights for above the kitchen island. So those are some ideas that I have coming soon. But I just wanted to kind of update you and give you, you know, some things to look forward to. Look at her. Oh my gosh. I cannot. I just want to cuddle with her. Oh my God. Oh, did I wake you again? I'm sorry. So it is the next day. I got caught up on laundry yesterday. I woke up this morning feeling so freaking good because my house was clean. All the laundry is caught up. Like, I'm caught up with everything. There's some things I obviously could work on that I need to organize and stuff. But, like, you know, the typical everyday housework is caught up. And it feels so good. I don't know who I was yesterday, but it was not me. I mean, I'm usually pretty energetic, but that was another level. So I'm proud that I got all that caught up. So now today I get to just, like, you know, just hang out. I mean, I'm not going to. I'm going to try to stay productive. That way things stay clean. But it just feels good to not have an overwhelming amount of things to have to do. So yeah, there's that. By the way, a lot of you have asked about Little, and since she barked, I wanted to address this really fast. Hold on, I'm going to get my coffee. Okay, so a lot of you have noticed that Little is not in the videos a whole lot. Like, she doesn't come out often. And the simple story is just that she's getting older. She's 11, and she's just at that age where, oh, she came to the front door. I knew she was going to do that. She's a little stinker. She's so tiny she can squeeze through the gate. This is Little. Oh, there she goes. See? She moves so fast, like she hauls butt. She doesn't, like, the other two want to be around me, and, I mean, don't get me wrong, Little does, but she's right there. There's Little. I know, come here. We're just getting old, guys, that's all. So it's been a little bit since I picked up the camera, but I'm making lunch right now. We've already gotten ready for the day. We are going to be going to the store.
I just love you so much.
We're going to be going to the store soon to go look around at like Lowe's and Home Depot. A lot of stuff is on sale, I've noticed. They have like a ton of like end caps at our stores. And I've been looking for some light fixtures. And if I can find one for above the sink on sale, sales are for me.
Let's go, Mommy.
Yeah?
I picked up Zoe.
You picked up Zoe? Yeah, she's kind of heavy.
Yeah.
You're strong then. So anyway, we're going to go shop around, and I encourage you, if you are in the market for like some home project stuff, definitely check out your local stores, because a lot of stuff is being discontinued. They're bringing in new items, trying to make room, and I've just noticed a ton of sales lately, so I'm excited. We're going to go see if we can find anything that we actually need, and just kind of get out of the house today, since the house is all clean, and I don't really have any like work to do. I figured I would just start a new video for next week. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me over the past couple days. I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.